So it's older one. The 7, the newest one is 7.
I give mine for $80 some. I say, oh, it's too much money, fuck it. Because I buy the one I buy like a 5 years ago wasn't $60 some. When I put in the register machine, was only 24 on sale.
You put it in the resale machine.
I put in the machine, register machine, and when the machine charge me, it say only 24 because it's on sale. But the other price was $60 some. I say, wow, that's a good deal.
Yeah.
I wish to pound something like that every single day. It means anytime I'm going to buy some, if I get it like that, it's okay for me. Two days ago, my birthday.
Your birthday was 2 days ago?
Yeah.
December birthdays, December babies everywhere, man. I'm December 21st.
21st?
Yeah.
Capricorn too. You are Capricorn.
Sagittarius.
Sagittarius?
Yeah.
Huh. I thought after 18 is Capricorn.
It's on the edge.
Ah.
It's on the edge.
Okay. Well, anyway, I have a niece from my wife. She's in the 29.
Where is she? Is she in?
Mexico.
She's in Mexico.
Yeah, beautiful girl.
Your wife?
My wife's niece.
Your wife's niece. Okay.
Niece.
Where's your wife right now?
In Mexico.
What?
My real wife.
Your real wife.
Yeah.
Not the other wife.
No, this cuckoo lady, forget it. We are separate already. We are separate already because 2 months. When I say 2 months, it's because it's 2 months. And enough is enough for me.
She in the Carolinas?
No, she lives right there close to the auto parts. She rented a room right there. But it's okay because the last time what she did, forget it. Because she come and say, where's the chicken? I say, and the fish, where it? No, you can't, you take it. I indeed.
She giving you a hard time about the chicken?
Yeah. Okay.
What's up with that?
I used to cooking, I can say every 2 or 3 days.